Okay, now let us take a look at this section here, which is data modeling and calculating theoretical frequencies. Okay, so usually in real life, what we will do is we will use different distributions as mathematical models, okay, to understand better about the scenarios that we have. So after carrying out experiments, what we want to do is we want to check whether the distributions that we use, all right, the assumed distributions that we use, will it fit the experimental data. That means you carry out an experiment, you get some values, right? So you want to see whether the model actually fits the values that you obtained during the experiments. So what we do is we actually uh, find out or calculate what we call the theoretical frequencies. Okay, theoretical frequencies will be based on the information that you have obtained in the data, and of course our distribution that you assume. Then we will decide whether the model whether is it a good fit. Okay, by looking at how close the theoretical frequencies and the observed frequencies, or sometimes we call it the experimental frequencies, how close they are. So let us look at this example here. We have um, a coin, all right, a fair coin. So probability of a head is half, probability of a tail is also half, and you want to throw it 1,000 times. Okay, what will be the expected number of hits that you can get? So the average number of hits. So if I use, for example, the binomial distribution model, then I will take the sample size and multiply by the probability of success. Okay, this will give me 500. So in general, to calculate the theoretical frequencies, all right, what we do is we take the total observed frequency, which in this case is 1,000, and multiply by the probability of the desired outcome, which in this case, in this example, is the probability of getting a hit. Okay, so in actual experiments that you carry out, usually it will involve quite a large number of trials. So if you look at this example here of throwing the fair coin, right? If you have a large number of trials, then the number of hits that you get will quite likely be close to half the number of trials that you carry out.